ICCT stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, 2nd of April and onward. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So iCoreConnect already 110% up. It's absolutely beautiful. All I'm looking to do is take things up. I've talked about this before, but it's a beautiful demand zone, and unless the price pulls and gives me a double break from any sort, buying is just not going to be an option for me, I guess. Yeah, right. It was a good idea and bias, but the proper confirmation just never took place, which actually I'm fine with that. Very fine. Randomly buying just obviously has been me, but 4.5 years into the game, it's been burned me more times than it's made me money. So I might as well wait it out. But yeah, my bias is still quite bullish as of right now. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.